Hey guys, just want to let you know how you can make money online fast and easy in 2023. When it comes to making money online, you either have to have a product or you need to be providing some sort of service of value or have some sort of software or something to really be successful online. Okay, and over here at Marketer, you guys can join the marketing group um, and actually provide a service for small local businesses. And what we do on the inside is we provide all the training on the inside of Marketer Group. If you come over to Marketer Group, of how to land clients and actually bring in other affiliates in as well. Okay, so and over here in the marketing group, there is actual leaderboard showing user earnings, as you can see right here. So once you get on the inside, upload an image because your face could pop up right here, guys. This is updated as people earn money. So the top 6 will always show up here at the top, and you get a buttload of training, tools, scripts, email swipes. Like, they make it real easy to actually land clients, guys. Like, with it's, some of the training in here is pretty dope. It's um, basically showing you how you can email, or not even just email businesses, but actually send businesses a text message and send them back to the landing page. Man, there's so many landing pages, guys, that do all the work for you, really, and you collect a commission. So if you guys are interested in earning real money and providing a real value and a real service online in the digital world, then Marketer Group is for you. If you can spend like an hour or two a day emailing, cold calling, or messaging businesses and copy and paste, then you have the potential to earn over $10,000 a month with the Marketer Group program. And today only, I'm gonna leave a coupon for the first 50 people to join the Marketer Group for free. Okay, you're gonna get it 100% free. So go ahead and join. After the 50 users come in, the coupon will not work anymore. So hopefully you get in and you're one of the first people that see this video, so you guys can get in for free. After that, you will have to pay to join the Marketer Group. So if you guys are really interested in earning a living online, hit the link in the description. Peace.